Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Well, aside from the fact that your eyeballs aren't supposed to be able to do that, I can't find anything wrong with you.
Then why is he covered in all those red dots? Huh? Oh, they're itchy too.
What do you think, Dr. Cherie?
I think we may need a real doctor.
Wait, this happened to a cousin of mine. It turned out he had developed an allergy to dogs.
Achoo! How can we be sure? Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
I think we can be sure.
But if Julius is allergic, doesn't that mean that Chachi has to live somewhere else?